barn burner as well. The 4x100, Naperville Central in 1. Evanston Township in 2. The Danville Vikings in 3. O'Fallon from the Metro East area in 4. In the middle, Frankfort Lincoln Way East. You'll see a lot of them today. They have 11 entries here in Class 3A. This is their first impact race. The Rocks of Rock Island in 6. Homewood Flossmoor in 7. St. Charles East in 8. And the Giants of Highland Park in 9. We'll go to the starter, the state championship Class 3A, 4x100. And we're underway. Watch Lincoln Way East. They came close to the record yesterday. This is Alexis Highshaw. And Highshaw making up the stagger and handoff to Asia Brown. Brown still running strong, but on the outside you got Rock Island and Homewood Flossmoor. Watch this exchange. And it is Lincoln Way East. And in 6 is Homewood Flossmoor. That's Sally. This is a battle. More so, but we're going to give it off to Aaliyah Brown. Here comes Aaliyah Brown. Again, the record is 46-23. Aaliyah Brown heads for the first win for the Griffins. And we're going to go 44, 45, 46. It could be. Let's take a look at the board. Aaliyah Brown and Lincoln Way East. 46-23 is the record. 46-48. That was about the same as yesterday, but what an effort. First of the day for Aaliyah Brown.